Hello, beautiful soul. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Irin Academy. I'm Irin Sultana Samia. Let's begin. And thank you, my friend, for giving me the chance to learn something life-changing with you. My dear friend, today's topic will be very important for all of us because more or less all of we are going through this situation or experiences every single day. Before diving into today's topic, let me ask you something gently and honestly. Have you ever gone through this situation? We are looking for the person who are hurting us most. But the surprising thing is that, what if I told you that person you are looking for, we are watching them every day in the mirror? Yes, I'm talking about you yourself, and I'm talking about me myself. And have you ever noticed how it is very easy to love others and very difficult to love ourselves? Today, we are not gonna watch a motivational episode. Rather, we are learning from a real life experience, from life of the authors Kamal Ravikant. According to the book, Love Yourself Like Your Life Depends on It. Because this simple idea has helped thousands of people to heal their mind, their body, their confidence, and their life. Years ago, Kamal Ravikant was going through one of the most darkest part of his life. His business was failing, his relationship had ended, and deep inside, he was feeling completely lost. Imagine waking up every day with heavy heart and feeling in your life that nothing is going the way you hoped. Every day, millions of people experience these moments. Moments when self-doubt becomes louder than hope. Moments when mind keeps repeating the painful thoughts like, I'm not good enough. I always fail. Maybe I'm not meant to be succeed. Kamal Ravikant experienced something painful during that time. The biggest problems in his life was not the world around him. It was the voice inside in his mind. One day he made a simple but powerful promise to himself that from today, I will love myself like my life depends on it. At first, it feels strange even to him because most of us are not taught how to love ourselves. We are taught how to work hard, compete, and achieve success. But very rarely we taught how to treat ourselves with kindness. Yet from that very moment, Kamal decided he would start practicing self-love every single day. The first practice was very simple. He started to repeat one simple sentence again and again. That is, I love myself. He repeated it while walking, while breathing, even before sleeping. At first, it felt uncomfortable, but slowly something interesting started to happen. The mind began accepting that new message. The second practice was visualization. Every day, Kamal imagined a warm light inside his heart, a light that filled with love, peace, and compassion. And he imagined that light is spreading over his mind and body. And after visualizing that, he find something very powerful, what he was looking for a long time. That is inner peace, inner calmness. The third practice was action. Kamal started to respect himself and he started doing something that showed self-love, like going for a walk, taking care of his health, and speaking himself with self-love instead of criticizing on every mistakes, because self-love is not just a thought, it is a daily behavior. Over time, Kamal noticed something remarkable. His mindset started changing. His confidence started growing. New opportunities slowly appeared in his life. Nothing changed overnight, but something important had changed: his relationship with himself. And my dear friend, when your relationship with yourself improves, every part of your life begins to shift. My dear friend, now let me ask you something gently. How do you speak to yourself every day? Is your inner voice encouraging you or constantly criticizing you? Because the words you repeat in your mind, it slowly shapes your confidence, your actions, and your future. Beautiful soul, imagine waking up every morning that supports you. Imagine facing every challenges with courage instead of fear. Imagine believing that you are worthy of growth, success, and happiness. That transformation begins with one small decision. The decision is to love yourself. If you want more powerful ideas and life changing experiences, subscribe to Iron Academy, because it is not just a channel, it is a practical practice ground for becoming the best version of yourself. And if you found this video helpful, please like it so that it can reach us to others, and share it to your friends and family. And always be positive, love yourself, and keep moving forward. See you in the next episode. Until then, take care of your mind and body. Assalamu alaikum.